In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Facebook ads. If you've launched a campaign and need to tweak the budget, refine your audience, or polish the ad copy, you can do it quickly, right inside Meta Ads Manager. Start by opening Meta Ads Manager. This is the central dashboard for every campaign, ad set, and ad. Make sure you're looking at the correct account and campaign so you don't edit the wrong item. Next, head to the Ads tab. This view shows your individual ads, including their delivery status, results, and cost. Find the ad you want to change and click the checkbox beside it. Selecting the ad activates the editing controls. Now click Edit, or the small pencil icon. An edit pane will slide open on the right, letting you adjust the key pieces of your ad without leaving the page. In this pane, make your changes. For budget and schedule, choose the amount you're comfortable spending and when you want the ad to run. Daily budgets spend evenly each day, while lifetime budgets try to optimize across the entire date range. Remember that significant budget or schedule changes can affect performance and may restart the learning phase. For audience targeting, narrow or broaden who sees your ad by adjusting location, age, interests, or behaviors. Keep your targeting aligned with your objective, broad for reach and awareness, more specific for conversion-focused campaigns. A clear audience helps your budget work harder. If you need to, update the ad name. Clear names make reporting and troubleshooting easier later. You can also edit some creative elements, like primary text or images, depending on the ad's status and setup. Minor copy fixes are usually fine. Swapping images or changing formats may trigger a fresh review, and certain setups, like dynamic creative or catalog ads, limit what you can modify. As you adjust settings, keep an eye on the preview in the pane to confirm how your ad looks across placements. When everything is set the way you want, click Publish to apply the changes. Your updates won't go live until you publish. After publishing, the ad may go through review before it resumes or continues delivery. That's it. By opening Meta Ads Manager, going to the Ads tab, selecting your ad, opening the Edit pane, making targeted adjustments, and publishing, you can keep your ads aligned with goals without starting from scratch.